Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to delete your Wuthering Waves account. Whether you're stepping away from the game or starting fresh, I have got you covered with a quick and easy guide. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, launch Wuthering Waves and wait for the game to load completely. Once you're in, head over to the main menu and open the settings option located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Step 2. From the settings menu, scroll down and select account settings. Here you will find an option called user center. Tap on that to proceed. Step 3. In the user center, scroll all the way down until you see a button labeled other. Click on it and you'll find the delete account option right there. Now this is where it gets serious. Carefully read through the conditions for account deletion. If you're sure about your decision, click next. Review the account deletion agreement and confirm again by clicking next. Finally, a verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code to confirm your request. Once done, hit delete account. And that is it. Your account will permanently removed. And there you have it. Simple step-by-step guide deleting your Wuthering Waves account. Remembering this process is permanent. So make sure you won't regret it later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.